Hello everyone, we welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. So then start our today's topic, interventional urogram. And what is intravenous urogram? Firstly we see definition about intravenous urogram. Means I will also say that IVU or IVP. IVU or IVP. It is a radiographic examination of urinary tract including renal parenchyma, calyx and pelvis after intravenous injection of contrast media. There are some anatomy. Previously we will discuss that it is a radiographic examination about urinary tract. It show a film of IVU, radiographic film. Indication about IVU. Indication in adult, like screening of entire urinary tract in cases of hematuria, differentiation of function of both kidneys, abnormalities of ureter, TB of urinary tract, potential renal donors, prior to endourological procedure and surgery of UT, suspected renal injury, renal colic or flank pain, obstructive uropathy and calculus disease. Disease of renal collecting system and renal pelvis. Indication in children like Vater anomalies, neurological disorder which affecting urinary tract, malformation of genitalia like bilateral cryptopyidism. In girls with constant or intermittent dampness, anorectal anomalies, malformation of urinary tract. There are some contraindications like iodine sensitivity, pregnancy and severe history of anaphylaxis. There are some risk factors about IVU like cardiac failure, dehydration, diabetes with azotemia, previous allergic reaction, history of pheochromocytoma. In pheochromocytoma, contrast media can precipitate hypertensive crisis. Contrast media doses differentiate in adult and in children. In case of adult, use non-ionic contrast media, iohexol or Omnipaque. 300 mg iodine per ml or 350 mg iodine per ml. In case of children, we also use non-ionic contrast media, iohexol and Omnipaque. The doses are 240 mg iodine per ml and 3 mg iodine per ml. We prepare for IVU. Then we see preparation about IVU or IVP. Preparation for adult. Firstly, we ask history previous history, renal disease, allergic to drug, overnight fasting. Do not dehydrate the patient. Follow 10 days rule in female cases. When female, check creatinine and urea level. In case of bowel preparation, low residue diet and plenty of oral fluid. Bowel wash is given on previous night. Laxative are given to eliminate fecal matter from colon and to reduce gases in bowel. If we use Dulcolax 2 to 4 tablet given 2 days prior to IV, if it does not cause adequate cleaning, castor oil 30 to 60 ml is given. In case of children, do not dehydrate. Suppositories are given to empty colon. Cleansing enema are used in children older than 2 years. Fasting for 3 to 4 hours. Procedure. Firstly, patient is in supine position. Support is placed under the patient knee to reduce lordotic curvature of LS spine. Scott film is taken. Contrast media is injected intravenously. Cortical nephrogram seen within a 20 seconds, which depict the renal parenchyma. Nephrogram is made up of cortical phases due to vascular filling. In 2 minutes, pyelogram are seen after the contrast injection. In case of children, equipment should be capable of short exposure to avoid motion blurring. SID 14 inches or 1 meter. Filming, first film is taken 15 minutes after contrast injection. Since concentrating ability of kidney in neonates is not fully developed. Gonadal cell is given. If bowel is present, bowel gas is present, child is placed in prone position as it displaces bowel away from kidneys. There are techniques, film techniques. We use low kVp 65 to 75 and use high MA, means 600 to 1000, with short exposure is used. A standard film taken, firstly Scout film, we use 14 into 17 inch cassette. For 1 minute film we use 10 into 12 inch cassette or image receptor. In case of 5 minute film we use 10 to 12 inch cassette. In case of 10 minute film we use 15 into 12 inch cassette. In case of 15 minute film we use 15 to 12 inch cassette. In case of full bladder film we use 10 into 8 inch cassette. For post void film 14 into 17 inch cassette. Scout film are useful in determining the technical factor, determining the position of kidney, assessing calculus, intestinal abnormalities, intestinal gas pattern and calcification. These images show many things. These images show many things like calculus, intestinal abnormalities. It is a radiographic image of IVU. One minute film which show nephrogram and 5 minute film show nephrogram, renal pelvis, upper part of the ureter. 10 minute film called compression film. It demonstrates distended collecting system and proximal ureters. Compression is given to produce better pelvical distension. Compression contraindicated in case of IVU. When we are going for IVU, compression are contraindicated in this patient, like renal trauma, large abdominal masses, abdominal aneurysm, after abdominal surgery and any type of surgery. If 5 minute film show dilated calyx, or if calyx or pelvis are not adequately opacified, in these cases compression are contraindicated. 15 minute film with visualization of ureter is better in prone position. As they feel better, this position reverses the curve of inferior course of ureter, making it anti-dependent to gravity. In 35 minute film, bladder distension can be evaluated. Post void film, it is taken immediately after the voiding. It is used to assess for outlet obstruction, residue of urine. Bladder mucosal lesion. This image which show bladder mucosal lesion and diverticula. This is a radiographic image of IVU. These are the IVU image and which show pathology, full bladder images and post void images. A special views in IVU like oblique views, erect film. Oblique views used to project ureter away from spine and to separate overlaying radiopaque shadow, mimicking calculi. Erect film are used to provoke emptying of urinary tract. Demonstrate layering of calculi in cyst and abscess. Detect UT gas. Prone film used for viewing ureteral areas not seen in supine views, demonstrating bladder hernia. Delayed film are taken 1 to 24 hours after injection. Sequence of film after 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, 24 hour of the injection. Delayed film are used in obstruction in which nephrogram is seen but collecting system is not visualized. In other cases, long standing hydronephrosis. Filming in children. Filming are taken at 2 minutes in supine position and 7 minutes in prone position after contrast injection. To improve the visualization of left kidney, child can be put in RPO view. Then the right kidney can be seen well through the liver in 50 to 20 degree caudal tilt view. There are some complications of IVU, like due to contrast media, like the reaction like mild, moderate and severe. In mild reaction, symptoms like nausea, vomiting, mild rashes, and in intermediate reaction, there are some symptoms like urticaria, facial edema, bronchospasm, hypertension. In severe reaction like pulmonary edema, severe angina, myocardial infarction, coma. There are complications due to technique like upper arm or shoulder pain, extraction of contrast at the injection site. Aftercare for IVU, like patient are observed for 6 hours. Watch for late contrast reaction. Prevention of dehydration. In higher risk patient, RFT should be done. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को करें लाइक, चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को शेयर करें। थैंक यू। आगे ऐसे ही वीडियो आते रहेंगे।